Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see liver fry. So you're looking at the ingredients which we'll be using for the recipe. So here we have one big onion finely chopped. Then we have Kashmiri chili powder. This is going to be one tablespoon. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, salt to taste, turmeric powder just 1/4 of a teaspoon, then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 green chili whole, and then we have half a kg of chicken liver. So I haven't chopped it finely, have roughly chopped into, I think, kind of half an inch size, or it depends upon your taste, so you can cut it however you want. If it is small, not too small, if it is reasonably small, the roast consistency would be great. So let's start with the recipe. So here I'm taking a skillet, an iron skillet. So I love doing roasts in iron skillet because it gives a unique taste, and also the roast consistency would be really great. So I have flamed on the stove and waiting for the for the skillet to heat up. So now the skillet is hot, pretty hot, so I'm pouring little oil. I'm not going to add lots and lots of oil since it's a non-vegetarian dish. It's better to avoid more oil, so I use less oil. And now after the oil has heated up, I'm adding some onions. So the one whole onion chopped is added over here. Let the onion fry until it reaches slight brownish color. So I'm going to add little salt so that it cooks faster. So after adding the salt, I'm just randomly mixing it up, covering the onions with the oil. So I haven't simmed the gas, it's in high. The speciality of the skillet is it evenly distributes the heat and makes the cooking process faster. So you can see the onions are cooked, but I want it in a brown, crispier consistency. So when the liver is added, it gets merged very quickly and we'll have a good chemistry between the onion and the liver. So at this stage, it's kind of getting pinkish, so waiting for some more time for it to roast. So I have added ginger garlic paste and kept the flame low. because generally ginger garlic paste sticks to the bottom. A small tip for it is to add sugar, a pinch of sugar, which doesn't allow your ginger garlic paste to stick to the bottom. At this stage, you can add the chili powder, turmeric powder, jeera powder, and salt. So we added our star ingredient liver into the bhuna masala. The water in it will just blend along with the bhuna masala we have fried, and you can see how it got mixed up. So now at this stage you can add that one piece of chili and allow it to cook for some time. So I'm going to close the lid, before which I'll add a tablespoon of water. I'm adding a tablespoon of water here. And the flame is in low, so it's going to cook for about 20 minutes, after which the dish will be ready. And the final step would be sprinkling some pepper and parsley, dried parsley. So I'm just going to close the lid. So while the liver is getting cooked, I'm watching my favorite YouTuber's channel, Riziki. Wow, such a talented person. So let's wait until the liver gets cooked and I'll be back soon. So it has been 7 to 10 minutes. Wow, so it is cooked well. You can see, I think so it's cooked. So it's all cooked. It's easily cooked. So now I'm going to keep it in high and add pepper, so I've added some pepper and I'm mixing it well, and I have kept in high so it reduces the water and will get a crispier liver fry. So let's wait for the water to reduce and I'll come back to you once the water is reduced. So you can see how it has dried up. So at this stage I'm going to add parsley. If you don't have this, you can add coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. I like this parsley flavor, so I'm just adding it. So after this, just give it a mix again. It's still in high. I haven't reduced the temperature. Sorry, the flame. So it's all done. So it's up to you to roast it more, or you can eat just like this. So I prefer slightly more crispier. So yes, so it's ready to be served. It's all done. You can see how well it's done. So you can see the roast over here. So it's all just not like a very crispier consistency, slightly crispy. So it's all done. If you want the pieces to be smaller, you can also make it smaller. In that case, you'll have it like a scrambled egg. Since I don't want that consistency, I have just kept it in this size. So you can break it at this stage also if you want. So it's all done. So let me serve. I'll just serve and come back to you. So it's all roasted. Look at how yummy it is. It is all roasted and ready to be tasted. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more such videos. Thank you so much.